Hey there, everybody, and welcome back. Greg here. Excited to give you a bonus training after day 3. So what we're going to do today is if you want to take further action and take control of your business, I'm going to give you a free tool that you can get access to today and be able to start getting greater visibility into how to manage your business for the future. So if you haven't already, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. Want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of this future content because we've got a lot of great stuff coming to help you grow your business and ultimately put money back into your pocket while we're helping others do the exact same thing. So what we're going to do is today I'm going to show you how you can take a free tool. It's called leadsleap. It's actually an all-in-one marketing platform. And I'm going to be able to give you copy and paste capture pages that look exactly like what we have in the members area. So if we come back over here to our 123 SHG, and this is, remember, you've got to be able, you have to register for Savings Highway Global. Go through the link down below that is going to look a little bit like this guy right here, and go ahead and get registered. I'll send you an email, a personal email that gives you direct access to register for this exclusive member training site. Then once you have access in here, one of the first things we're going to do is actually set up your links. And so what I've done is I've gone in and I've recreated the majority of these into leadsleap. I've taken the top 3 and been able to recreate those for you so that when you go in, you create your free account. I'll walk you step by step on how to create this. It'll take you a few minutes, and then you can start capturing those leads into your own system. Now, the team is already doing this for you 100%. So if you don't want to mess with this, stop the video and I'll take you to the next one. But if you're interested, this is a free tool that you can get access to that's going to help you understand more insight into your business and ultimately help you to grow. This is a tool you're going to want in the future anyway, and you can start it out for free. And in order to upgrade it at some point in the near future is not a lot of money. There's a lot of tools out there that you actually have to combine them and integrate them together. This one has everything in one place, and I highly recommend it. It has been a tremendous blessing for me and my business in order to manage it, but it's not breaking the bank every month either. That is one of the great things about this. So what you're going to do is down below, I'm going to give you a link right here to register for your own free leadsleap account. And it will look a lot like this. Now, there's actually some extra stuff in here that you're going to get access to. I won't go into detail on this video. I'm going to have a whole other series that can give you some, really explain all the value that you get in this platform. Things like advertising, pop-up creators, list managers, link trackers. If you're not understanding a word that I'm saying, that's okay. If you're new, if you've never been around this techie stuff, it is okay. That's why we're not going to worry about it now, but there's a lot of really great value built into this platform. Right now, go ahead and sign up, 100% free, get registered. And then once you do, you're going to come into a screen that looks a lot like this one, okay? This is the dashboard for leadsleap. This is my main account. And we're going to focus on 2 areas. The first one over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to blow this up just a little bit. We're going to scroll down and you're going to click on what's called the page manager. So if you haven't already, pause the video, go get signed up so you can walk with me step by step, okay? We're going to click on page manager. And then we're going to go in here and we're going to create a brand new campaign. In fact, I've already done this, but let's start over. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a brand new campaign. I'm going to call this SHG, capture page A. You can label it whatever you want. This is just for reference. I've already created several of these, so I want to do this for your benefit. All right. So back over here in the work from home guide, what I want you to do is I want you to identify one of these 3 share codes. Now, if you come back into your 1, 2, 3 members area, I've recreated this first one, which is the funnel team capture page. Second is how I make money from my phone. This is the original capture page. And then number 3 is going to be the copy and paste. Strictly up to you. I'm going to show you one example of this so that you're able to do it, and then you decide which one fits best. I've actually created all 3, and I use them in a variety of ways to see which one's working best. What do people like the most? What's grabbing attention? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the newest one. I'm going to copy this share code. I'm going to go back over into leadsleap. I'm going to click on this plus sign. It says add a blank page or import using a share code. I'm actually going to paste the share code that we had in our work from home guide. I'm going to click import now. So once you have this, you're going to go into the launch editor. Now I want you to be able to see this firsthand because this is really easy. You're only going to need to do 2 things once you go in here. So immediately you can see this is exactly what we see right here. It's identical. And so over here on the left-hand side, we're going to click on list. Okay. There's 2 things we're going to need to do on this page. The first thing we want to do is we need to come into our members area. And instead of being in the setting up links area, you're going to scroll down here to where it says commission bonuses and advanced section. You're going to click on sales page only. And there's also a video here. So if you get lost with what I'm describing, you can use this video, but I'm going to walk you. This is really easy. So we're going to come down and we're going to grab this link right here, hit copy. We're going to go back over into what's called the launch editor or the landing page. And in this space right here where it says redirect URL, we're going to paste that link and add your site name onto the end. Once you do that, you can see right here, I'm going to click the save button and it's going to save. Now that's all we need to do for right now. The second thing that we're going to need to do, so when somebody puts in their email address, as soon as they do that, as soon as they opt in, it's going to redirect them to the sales page. So let me show you what that looks like. If you've been through this process, you're going to know exactly what that is. It's going to take them straight to this page. So now it plugs right back into the system, the funnel that we've done. No issues. If we come back here, the second thing we're going to need to do is now we're going to be collecting those email addresses using this system instead of driving it into the team system. What you're going to want to do is over here on the left-hand side again, you're going to click on List Manager. I'm going to open this in a brand new link or brand new tab so that you can see it. And we're going to do Add New List. Now, I recommend you label it pretty much the same, just so that you can tie the 2 together. And then you click Add Now. Now, before you can activate this list, you're going to need to click on the gear sign. And what this will do is it'll open up and you can come in here and do a little bit of customization. Right now, for this purpose, you need to fill out the sender details, your name, your email. It'll send an email verification. It'll send you a quick code that you'll put in here, and then you need to put in a physical mailing address to comply with what's called canned spam. You'll want to click these 3 boxes and then create your own signature. You can do something as simple as "to your success" and then your name. Put mine here. You can also get more creative if you want to have something a little bit more elaborate. I'm going to just hit update for now. And I'll give you an example of what my main one looks like right here. So if you scroll down, this is what my current signature looks like. So I actually have a few extra links plus ways to get in contact with me. So if somebody wants to check out my website, if they want to find me on YouTube, if they want to connect with me on Facebook, I've got all of those options available. So if we scroll back up here, once you have completed this section, you're going to say, by activating this list, I agree with the following. Now, right now, it's going to say, oh, you haven't entered in all the information, so I'm going to just do save without activating. Once you complete that and you've been able to activate it, you fill in all those blanks, which I know you're able to do. Then you're going to come back over here. This is your launch editor. So just to follow back along, we're going to come back into the page manager on the left side. Our new capture page should be the first one. That's SHG capture page A. We're going to click on launch editor. We have our capture page here. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on list. And now we've already redirected to the website, but now we need a place to capture their email. That's what this is for. So right here, you're going to put get list ID. There's a default one in here because this is a recreation. You'll probably see the same number, but that's one for my list and it won't let you use it. What you're going to need to do is this list ID will pop up. You'll probably just have the one that we created and you'll click on it. After you select that list ID, you will hit save. And that's it. So let's run through that one more time. If you look at what we just did, you sign up for your leadsleap account. You select the lead capture page that you want. And these are all of the examples back over here. You can go with the new capture page. This one's doing very well. This is the original page. And then these 2 right here are identical. It's just the sales page that it's redirected to, but these both perform extremely well. From there, we added an email list. If we come in and look at our page builder. So from our capture page, we clicked on list. We selected a list ID after creating a list. Back over here in list manager. Okay. Once we did that, we also redirected to the new page, to the sales page. That way somebody can click on activate their new account and be able to get registered with you as either a gold, platinum, or titanium, the one that maximizes your profits. That's the one that we really want, but we want people to get involved. So wherever they can come in at, and we want to encourage them, what's the level they value themselves at? Where is it that they feel they can make the most and they believe in themselves the most? It's really important. So once they are redirected, they go through that process, they get signed up, become a part of the team. And that's it as far as leadsleap goes. Now we'll get to the list a little later. Right now, this is what I wanted to help get you set up with, okay? What's going to be really important is that you go through these steps. Now there's 2 extra things. In fact, I'm going to add a bonus because I think we're going to need to do it. Okay. You start sharing this, you're going to need it. Okay. So number 1, just a fun little bonus that I put together, I actually found from another very highly successful member of SHG, is this top secret travel report. You can go and click on that. In fact, I'll show you what that looks like real quick. And this is something that is really well done. It helps explain if somebody's just interested in travel, this will walk through how Savings Highway Global is going to help them benefit, because there's 2 main companies that really control all of the costing. They've got controls in place, so they control how much discount is really out there. Savings Highway Global really offers some great benefits. So check this out. If you're a part of my team, reach out to me and I will help you get your own branded version of this report. It's one of my bonuses and one of my gifts to you as being a part of my team. And you can see right here at the beginning, it would be your name on the front of the top secret report. And then down here at the bottom, we'll add your picture with the level that you value yourself and just a little blurb about who you are. Okay. Second is I'm going to share the email series. You're going to need this. The more I think about it, you're going to need this almost immediately, because as soon as somebody signs up, if you're using this platform, I want you to be able to engage with your prospects immediately. And what I have done is I already have my own list built on the Teams list. So I actually registered for my own email list and have been collecting those so that I can mimic it 100% into this platform. And what you can see here, if I scroll down, this is the list. Currently, it's sitting at 22 emails. I continue to add, but at the time you're watching this, you will get the most current version that I will send you. So whenever I send you an email and you watch this video series and this is something you choose to do, you send me an email and say, hey, I want the email share code. When you do that, I'll send you the share code that's right here. I'm not going to give it to everybody, but if you're part of my team, I want you to have this as an extra bonus so that all you need to do when you come in here is you will come into each one of these and you will replace your site name or replace my site name with yours. That's all you have to do for each one of these emails. You copy, it'll paste, it'll drop it right in there for you, every single email, and you just have to go in and change one thing about each email. Your signature that we created from the list manager will automatically be populated to each one of these emails, so you don't have to do anything else there. And now you're automatically, you've created automation for your business to keep in touch with your prospects 24/7. All right, so that's it for the bonus training. Hey, listen, I'm really excited. And if you choose not to go down this path, I'd love for you to register for leadsleap, because there is some free advertising that's built into that platform that's going to help you to promote this business free. And there's some other added bonuses that will be really advantageous when we get a little bit further down the line in this training. So please be sure that you register, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and God bless.